Miss, is it on the computer or the?
Well, math is going to be, it's the paper one, but then you go back and bubble them in, remember?
Oh yeah.
When we take it in the afternoon, that practice one is going to be online, and I'm going to have to show y'all because, whew, I don't even know where, because I don't have that specific. Are you logged in there? I don't have what it, I have them. Right, eat breakfast and come and go back and take a while. Survive our first school.
Hello.
Well, I guess a face-to-face came on. Or I guess. Broken my hip or something. Test taking skills, week 5.
It's frozen.
Once Antonio's done here, we're gonna start. So I think probably like the last page. Somebody said yesterday, or Antonio said yesterday, is like the last page.
Back in my binders where there's tests.
Test taking skills.
What page is it?
Test taking skills. Is there 2 pages? There's 2 pages. I don't know. It's like your last pages, I think, in Sharon Wells.
Isn't like in concepts or
Yeah,
something?
in concepts. In concepts. Like your last pages here.
What week? What week?
Like your last pages. Can y'all see it?
Yes, I can see it. Okay, I found that one. I got it, Mr. Hernandez.
Ooh. Give Antonio about 5 minutes. Finish. I guess while we wait for him on something else. One more video for the morning. AJ's not in here yet, is it? Oh, and next week it's really important that you're here on time. Most of you are here anyways, but that you're here on time. Most of you are pretty good about getting here on time. We have a problem with that.
Mr. Hernandez,
Yes.
my mom didn't get to pick up the Sharon Well binders thing, so can she pick it up today?
Yes. If you didn't get to pick it up yesterday, Sharon Wells, I know they said there wasn't a lot. You can pick them up today between.
I got mine, yes.
Good. If you didn't pick them up, you can pick them up anytime between 8:30 and 4, I think. Let me check. Let me check real fast. I think it was 8:30 and 4.
Miss, will the Sharon Wells be in the back or the front?
You're gonna have to pick them up. What, your math? Like,
Yeah.
You're gonna pick them up at the cafeteria again.
Okay.
I think. I was gonna say.
Mr. Hernandez,
Yes.
we're in the concept, right?
Yes. So yeah, you can pick them up today between 8:30 and 4. Come get your math out. And it's gonna be in the back side of the cafeteria where you picked up your work the last time. Where's that song at?
What does the page look like?
It just says test taking skills. It should be the last like the last.
Week 5 test. Week like in like a box where it says like other teachers' names or grades and stuff.
No, they're handing it out.
Okay.
They're handing them out. So you'll just say, I guess, what grade you're in.
Hey, yo, we back at it again. This one's for the kids who say they can't do math.
Oh, I like this one.
Nothing can stop you, so just listen up.
Multiply and subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide, multiply and subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back.
Yo, I'm gonna teach you a little something about long division. After watching this, we'll do it with more precision. I'm coming at you hot. My name's Dean Billy. Time to master divisor and dividend. We first divide these two numbers.
Multiply.
Then multiply 6 times 6. Subtract 36 minus 36.
Bring it on down and bring it on back.
Divide, multiply, and subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide, multiply, and subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. This one's for all the students with the dedication, sharp pencils. They always pay attention. They work hard, man. They never quit. When there's a problem, these kids can solve it. 7 fits into 49 7 times.
Multiply.
7 times 7 is 49. 49 minus 49 is 0.
Bring it on down and
Well, do it again. Divide, multiply, and subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide, multiply, and subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back.
divide, multiply and subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide, multiply and subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back.
You want a Rari, but can't divide? What other job can you get besides working fries? You gotta work so hard that when they ask where you live, you point to the hills and say, go all the way up. I never gave up. Now I'm all grown up. You see, when it comes to math, man, I know what's up. This one's for all the students with the dedication, sharp pencils. They always pay attention. They work hard, man. They never quit. Where there's a problem, these kids can solve it.
Divide, multiply and subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide, multiply and subtract. Bring it on down and bring it on back.
Hey yo, mad props to anyone who saw the video last time. Thank you so much. You're amazing. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. D-Villain?
D-Villain?
Wait, can we do the one called What We Know?
Maybe in a few minutes.
Yeah, put the one that says what.
Not right now. Maybe in a few minutes. Let's start with our, let's see if y'all remember what this video said, our test taking skills. Let's see. Y'all ready to divide? Yes, no, maybe so. Can y'all see my screen?
Yeah.
Everybody has it? Zildjian said he had it earlier. Week 5 test taking skills, page 1. It should be the last 2 pages, I think, in your math Bible.
Yep, they're the last 2 pages.
Or third to last ones. Oh, that's what I was going to do.
And this might go faster. We're ready to finish the whole thing.
Let's get started. So it says an automobile manufacturer shipped 96 cars to a car dealership in Fort Worth. The cars were shipped by trucks and 6 cars truck.
We're doing because there's each.
Somebody asked a question.
Plus we have 96 new cars. Yes.
Okay. It's blurry. Hold on.
Why do they always do that? Like all the time for every teacher, it gets blurry.
Okay. How many trucks were needed to ship new cars? So, Nita says we're using get. But we have to set up get first.
Is it the last?
It should be the last couple of pages. Right? I think so, wasn't it? Yeah. Right, there's nothing behind it. There's nothing behind it, right? There's nothing behind there. It's
Okay, I found it.
the last pages in your math binder. Literally, for y'all that have not found it. It's the last pages in your math binder.
I already found it.
The second best page.
All right, so get. Let's see. We have 96 and we have 6. Where does 6 go? The keyword with 6. Come on, wakey wakey, eggs and bacon. We're gonna be doing it.
6 cars on each truck.
It could either go on the G or it could go on the E.
6 cars on each truck.
How many cars were there? How many total cars?
96.
96. So we're gonna do what?
Divide.
96 divided by 6. Here we go. My facts. Six factors there are multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. You don't have to write the factors part. 42. Factors, multiples. So, how many times does McDonald's sell burgers? Twice, because you have 2 numbers under there. We're dividing 9 divided by 6. On the multiple side, how many times can it go in there without going over? Or what number can I stop at, I guess? Anybody? Yeah, we're going to be doing this in a few. 9. Yes, 6. So we get our 1, we lasso it in, we put it up here. Now we're going to multiply. What 2 numbers are we going to multiply?
1 and 6.
What do you get?
6.
Oh, now we subtract. We get 9 minus 6 is what? Besides Vida, somebody tell me. What's 9 minus 6?
3.
And we bring down our 6. Now we're going to start all over again and divide. 36 divided by 6. Remember, don't look on this side. Is 36 on that side?
It is.
It is. So we can stop there and circle our 6. What 2 numbers are we going to multiply? Tell me. Come on, y'all, wake up. It's going to be a fun test later.
16 times 96.
Nope. Not 16. We already did the one. You would do 6 times 6. Y'all do realize we're doing this later, right? Like 20 minutes. We're gonna.
The remainder.
What's our answer?
16.
Maybe we'll do the next one as a picture. Huh? Oh. So, I'll let you. Y'all have it copied down? I heard somebody coming. Remember, keep your cameras on. I know Randy always has his siblings by. Michael has his on, but it's always pointing up, which is fine with me. He's always missing Friday. Do you have this? So I can move it up or not yet? Like every other Friday, he was here last week, and then the week before that he was gone, and then I think he was here the week before that, then he was absent. Maybe he'll come in a little bit. Do y'all have it copied down so I can move it?
Mhm.
Yes. Yes. Normally it's AJ or Bud. So Jordan, number 2, Jordan put 6 stamps on each. Your camera's on each page of his stamp book. Yesterday he passed 76 stamps in his new stamp book. How many pages in his new book have stamps on them? Oh my God, I'm still asleep. I'm still asleep like y'all. What are we gonna use here?
We have to do
Adrian,
what?
what were you gonna say?
Do we have to do get?
I can tell you though, this week you wouldn't even have to set up Git, but because you're gonna be dividing for all your problems. So, but when it gets harder, you're gonna have to understand how many stamps were on each page.
4.
4.
All right, Adrian's finally. And then 76 is how many stamps he has. Where does that go?
Total.
There you go. We're gonna divide. But I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna make 4 groups. We're gonna do it this way. This is the only way you're able to divide on your test. Go for it. 76. How many 10s do I have in 76? 10s?
It has 7 10s.
Thank you. Yeah, and then
6 1s.
If this is the only way you're able to divide on your test this week, it's fine. It will work out. You can do that. You don't have to do it this way up here, but we're gonna have to do one way or another, that's for sure. Or I guess another way would be multiply each one of these times 4. You can get 76. That'd be another one. All right, do we have enough 10s to share? Share?
Yeah.
Yes. So 1, 2.
Yes.
Ooh, so we get rid of 4. Oh.
There's 3 left and there's 4 of us.
There, yeah. So do I have enough money to share with my amigos?
Nope.
Nope. All right, so we have to regroup them. That's another way you can do it. And some of mine did that last year. They would multiply, which I'm not going to tell you no. I'm not going to tell you no if you're getting the right answer. Because there's a lot of ways.
I got both of them right. Like,
Did you multiply both of them?
No, I put 19.
I'm trying to think if you can do that on your test.
I put 19 for this and then 19 for that. So
All right.
I knew the answer was 19.
So you could do that on how many of these? Let's see, 1, 2. On your test, there's 1, 2. I guess with the remainder, you could do it with the remainders too, but then you have to add whatever the remainder is. 3, 4 of them, you could do that. How many is each one gonna get? There should be 30 of these. Sorry if you can't see. And I know I can already get rid of 90 because I only have 10 in my circle, right? I could get rid of 90. Do I have 300 in here? No. You can get rid of those 2. If you're lost there, Antonio already got his answer.
So
How many is gonna go in each one? I think 9. Okay. We have how many dots over here? How many dots do we have over here?
5.
Nope. Dots? How many dots do we have? 10?
36.
30.
No, 36
30.
divided by 4 equals what? Is what we're looking for. Or 4 times what equals 36?
I know.
What?
9.
9. So how many dots are going to go in there?
9.
9. That's a shortcut way. Some people, but you're always on Imagine Math, so if they got on it when I told them to, they would be there. So what's our answer? Hold on.
19?
Sorry, yeah, 19.
Yeah, 9. Yeah, good.
So 19, yeah. This is what Antonio did. I told him, you know how many groups you have. You can go multiply each one of these by 4. So 19 times 4, what does that give us? We just did it.
19 times what?
Yeah, what does that give? Oh, what does that give us? Hmm?
If I multiply this, is this the I keep it. I have I use all 3 of these.
What's 19 times 4?
76.
Isn't that our total?
Yes.
So what was your answer if you just multiply it? You didn't even have to divide. Intent. Oh, I think the next one's distributive. Oh, no, it's not. Number 3. Oh, what we just did. Lynn was asked to oh, it has 100. Was asked to divide the base 10 blocks shown in 4 equal groups. Which shows one of Lynn's groups? Oh, we didn't do hundreds on your test. I'm gonna help you with this. How much is shown up here?
Are you saying how much he has?
Yeah, how much is shown up here at the top?
164.
Is it 64 or 74? 64.
It
Yeah.
is 64.
Good job, Chloe. I'm gonna help you with this one because we didn't divide. So, or you could multiply. How many groups do we have? 4? How much is shown in this picture right here? 100 and what?
112.
Okay, we know we have 4 groups. Let's multiply and see if we get 164. Is that 164 our total? No, that's way too many. How much is shown in B?
102.
102 times 4. Antonio says no. Why?
Because it's less.
408.
Because it's going to be 408. That's way too many. How many shown here?
41.
41.
41.
41 times 4. What do you get?
164.
Is that our total up here?
Yes.
What's your answer?
C.
C. Zildjian, you can go ahead. I didn't even divide here. I multiplied. There's a lot of ways you can do this math. Distributive property. Ready to move it up?
Okay.
Oh. Property. All right, number 4. It says Carolina is using the distributive property to divide 64 divided by 4. Which does not show to break apart the dividend. So we're trying to break apart, remember, 64, and it has to equal 64, these two numbers. Which one does not equal that? So we're looking for, I guess, true, false. So let's start adding 36 plus 28. What do you get? What do you- 14? What's next?
6.
So does that equal 64?
Yeah.
So that's true, right? What about 44 plus 20? This is the way you're going to have to do it on your test. Does that equal?
Yes.
And then you add 4 plus 2?
64.
Does that equal 64 over here?
Yes.
Bingo! We're on the last page of that binder. The next page. It says week 5 test taking skills, page 2. No, not Nearpod. I'm looking for this. Yuck. There's a crime reported in my neighborhood. I'm trying to see. All right. What about 30 plus 44? What does it equal?
74.
He doesn't have it.
74.
74.
So what's our answer?
G. I mean H.
H. Hope that's my password. All right. You ready to take your test?
What's 2?
F. All right, get your test out once you're done with this. It's in the back. It should be one of your last. It says week 5 assessment, page 1. Got a bunch of basic facts in the front.
Wait, what?
Your test, week 5 assessment, page 1. It looks like this. At the top, week 5 assessment, page 1. It should be in the back of your binder with all the rest of your tests. Think you have it? People had lost it. Once you found it, get started on basic facts. I'll go and start helping.
You don't have the
What is that on?
basic facts.
It's your test. Week 5, it should have been in the back of your binder. With the rest of your tests or wherever y'all move them to. Everybody found it or not yet? It should. I don't know where y'all moved your test to.
Week 5 assignment, page 1, basic facts.
I found his I mean the test, sorry. But he doesn't have that first page.
This page he doesn't have?
He doesn't have that first page, but he has the week 5 assessment, page 1, but his It says it starts with Miss Navis.
It should say, the first page should say, of the test should have a division problem. Oh, sorry. If he doesn't have it, the paper, he can always go in online and just work out the problems in a math journal. Because the test is online. Let me make sure it's open before. Did everybody find it or not yet? It should be like one of your last tests. Hopefully y'all have this stuff because next week is.
Yes, I found it.
Who hasn't found it yet? Let me see. Hold on. Make sure this test is available. Oh no.
Listen on this.
Yes.
What are we gonna do when I got this?
Wait, what?
What are we gonna do? Like, when are we gonna put these in our binder?
Is that your new one?
Yeah.
I guess after next week. I don't know when more people get them. I mean, you're gonna have to set it up yourself and keep the red stuff and all of that. So otherwise, you won't have like the papers that say concepts and everything else. Did everybody find it?
Can we close our binder?
Yes, you can take that test out and close your binder. Let me know if you have not found it so I can give you directions on where to go to take the test. Oh, RJ, I think you already took it. I saw that you took it, I think, last week. Let me check again. Maybe that's why you don't have it, because you already took it. I saw you had taken it last, like, Monday or something. Hold on, let me check. I'll help you out in a second, but work on your basic facts first.
I found it.
I think you took it, though, RJ. I saw you took it online. Let me check. Let me just double check already. Because then, if not, if you did, then I'll just put you on the Nearpod. But let's see. I think you took it last week. Because I couldn't close it. You were taking it.
You always want to get on.
Keep your cameras on. We're practicing like we're going to be practicing next week. RJ has his on, and he... Zildjian, you did it too. When did y'all do this test? RJ. Yeah, he already did it though online. So he doesn't have to do it again. I think he had done it like Monday or something. Yeah, let me just double check. He had done it, I think, Monday, and so did Zildjian. Or he did it. Yeah, like Monday. Yeah, he already did it online. He did it on Monday. RJ did. So I'm gonna give him the Nearpod code for today, and then he can go work on that. Okay? Let me make sure it's available first, and then I'll give it to you. For y'all, work on your basic facts, and then I'll help y'all with the other problems. Zildjian, you too. I think you already did it. Y'all did it. So let's see. Did we do Monday's Nearpod?
I think we did all of them.
I think we actually did this week, right?
This ain't it.
We didn't. I don't think we did it. Find it, Michael, or you need help? I'll give him Mondays. Let me find the code. Monday. I think he may. 146K. Is it okay. I'm gonna put the Nearpod code in the chat. I don't think he's done it yet, but let me check just in case.
Do I have the audio for the math test?
Yes. Let me send it to you. Let me post this code real fast, then I'll send it to you.
What's the R mean again? I forgot.
Remainder. Okay.
What do you say?
Remainder.
I want to check. A.
Oh.
And it's the Nearpod for Monday, but we haven't done it yet. So if he wants to go back and work on that one, okay? Because we had done, I think, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursdays already this week, right? I believe we had done. Zildjian, I'm gonna send it to you too, because you already took your math test. I don't know when, but
We do that much.
what's on here? You need something? Oh, is that yours? Go ahead, take it. Go ahead, take it.
Ms. Hernandez,
Yes.
on one it says R5.
Remainder 5.
Oh.
Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all a trick. I'm trying to. What was I trying to do? Cheese, beans and cheese. What was I doing? I forgot. Yes, I was checking because Zildjian did it too. What did you test? I don't do your test. I did okay. I mean, you can hold it and take it right now if you need it. Are you multiplying these?
Oh, yeah.
No.
I was checking something.
Okay. Oh, I was gonna send Michael the thing. Sorry, Michael. I said, well, that's what I was doing. Shared content. Shared with me. No, it's in studio. I don't know that. Is it not here? Is it not shared with me? Shared with me. Maybe it's not here. Oh, here it is. You. That's not the same one. What is that? Oh, okay. I need to figure out how details. I forgot how I did
Can I have some help on one?
Hold on. Trying to share this with Michael. My library, and then I shared it that way.
Miss Hernandez, I already did that one with y'all, remember?
I can
We
remember.
did.
Okay, go on into Imagine Math then.
Do I leave the meeting?
Yes, you can leave the meeting. Come back around like 9:45, okay? Michael, I'm gonna send it to you right now. Hopefully it works. Here.
Miss Hernandez, or maybe he can go on to Mayan.
So for number 1, we just divide 77 divided by 9.
Yes, hold on. Y'all all finished basic facts already? Where's the link? I just had it. Just copy the link. Cheese, beans and cheese, champagne. Oh. Copy. All right, here we go. Come on, that's why I told y'all to pay attention all this week, and now y'all are like, what are we doing? For y'all that didn't want to listen this week.
Have some help on one.
Me? One. All stumped, I can tell. If you don't know how to divide the other way, what's another way you can do this? If you don't know how to divide like this, what's another way you can do this?
Long division.
You can do the circles.
Exactly. How many groups do you have here? Michael, I sent it to you. See if you got it.
9 groups.
9. And you have to share 77. You're going to draw it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 7. But what I'm going to tell you is you don't have enough 7s, do you, to share with your 9 friends?
No.
No. Let me show you. This is why it's important to know your facts. Pay attention, because this will probably help you on another problem. We're looking at our 9s, aren't we?
Yes.
You can see my screen. What's the closest I can get to 77 without going over on my 9s?
7.
70.
I mean 8.
8. So what is your quotient? It's gonna be 8. Like, what's 8 times 9? What's 8 times 9?
72.
72.
8 times 9 is 72. Well, I have 77 up here. I need to subtract to see what my remainder is. So 77 minus 72 is what? What's 77 minus 72?
Is it 5?
Bing. Remainder 5. Look how I just got
So it's B?
So it's what?
It's B?
Yes. Come on. Y'all know there's multiple ways. When I was asking y'all to do it like this earlier in the week, y'all did fine. Michael, did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. It says Candace, number 2 says Candace was asked to divide the base 10 blocks shown in 2 equal groups. Which digit would be in the tens place of Candace's quotient? So how many groups are you going to have here?
4 groups.
Here?
Oh,
Look up top. How many groups are you going to have?
2 equal groups.
Bing. And it's already it already has it drawn for you, doesn't it? Go ahead and share this into those 2 groups and see what you get
Put them in there? Okay.
in here. And then I'll help you with the next part. I don't want just Mariah answering and just Beta. Y'all need to be able to do this too. How many's going in each group, do you know?
I know it. 3 in each group. 3 in each group. For the 10s.
3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. How many squares?
4 in each group. 4. So 34 in each.
But it's asking you for what? What's the question asking you for?
Which digit would be in the tens place of? So it's G.
Ah! Give you hooray for that one. Good job. There's another way. I told y'all how to do division. I just told y'all. What could you do with your answer choices? What can you do with your answer choices?
Cross them out.
What can you do? Huh? You can multiply them by the number of groups and see if you get this answer times 4. Just multiply 22 times 4. 24 times 4. I'll show you the remainder in a second, but what's 22 times 4?
22 times 4 is... That's a big number right there.
What is it?
Maybe 88?
Is that 88 up here?
No.
No. When you
One.
have a remainder, we know 22 times 4 is 88. You just add the remainder to 80.
No, it's not that, because
Got it, right? What do you get? 88 plus 6. I'm showing y'all like different ways right now to do this multiplication.
88 plus 6
Yeah.
is
92.
94.
At 98?
92.
94.
So is that this?
No.
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 So then we're between C and D.
Yep. See what you get, 24 times 4. This might be the best way to do multiplication for y'all on a few of these problems. If you multiply your answer choices by each group, I can tell you can do these problems 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do 4 of these problems. 4 of them. What's 24 times 4? Besides Mariah.
Oh, I can't say it.
Nope. Natalie? Are you sick from your dentist appointment?
Not really.
Okay, just checking because you're quiet. Are you working on this math? Is that where you're quiet?
Yes.
What's 24 times 4?
Let me see.
See?
Linda Ramirez, could you please count the
96?
So 6.
It's 96.
Why not? We have
Yeah,
9.
that's what I said. Yeah, but no.
Oh, my sweet Larry James.
So then wait, but isn't that like the same thing?
Is it?
4 was 8.
But the R2.
You have a remainder there. So you already know 24 times 4 is 96. You would just add 2 to that. And does it give you 98?
Oh, we got it.
Hmm. So what's your answer?
D?
D. Look, I didn't even do division on that one, did I? I'm setting the next one up for you, and then you're on your own. Did I pick the wrong one? Oh no, I didn't. Oh, this one should be easy.
Letty. Yeah, that one's easy. I can really tell.
Tell me what you send me in the chat, Vita, what you got. Letty bought 28 candied apples to give away as party favors for a party. She plans to put an equal number, so they're all going to get the same, at each table. If there are 7 tables at the party, how many candied apples will be placed on each table? What'd you get on that one?
Can you write that?
Okay, what I'm gonna do when I text you, I'm gonna text you the answer and the number to the answer.
So yeah, you can use get if you want to. I mean, but we know we're already doing what this whole week.
Do we put 7 for each?
We can put groups. It doesn't really
Have to do
How many total candied apples does she have?
28.
28
So what are we doing?
times.
What?
Divide.
That's why we.
When I text you it, I told you that I'm gonna text you the answer and I'm gonna text you the number to the answer.
What happens if I don't know how? If I'm not very good at division, what can I do? What's the opposite of division?
Times.
Yes. So you could multiply 7 times something to give you 28. I'm not giving you anything else. That's what you get.
Mm,
Don't yell it out.
The answer is gonna be the 7 times that equals that.
The answer is going to be whatever's in the circle. So 7 times whatever that number is gives you 28. Oh, there went my phone. Oops.
Got it. I know it. Hernandez.
Send it to me in a chat if you
Okay.
want confirmation on your answer choice.
Okay.
This is where knowing your basic facts is so important. Knowing your basic facts is so important. And if you're not good with basic facts, you should be doing repeated addition. All right, so 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 to figure it out.
Did I get it right?
Great job. Woo. Hope y'all, Adrina, are you following along? I know I can't see you. Normally I can.
Yes.
You need help with anything? Or not yet? Adrian?
I'm still here.
Need any help with anything? Or I know you were absent one day this week. It's
Yeah.
hard enough as it is being here every day. You can tell that everybody was.
It's kind of hard.
It is. This is only the beginning of it. Wait till we get into 3-digit by 1.
I'm on 5 right now.
You can keep going if you
Thank you.
already. Look at all the different ways I've showed you how to do division already. And it's half the time it's not even division. I know y'all can draw out these pictures. I know that. Moving on. If any problem I'll help you with 7. I know that one's hard. Number 5, Memorial Elementary received a shipment of 87 new student desks. The principal wants to put the same number of desks in each of their 3 classrooms. How many desks will be placed in each classroom?
We know that we're doing
3 classrooms.
we already know that we're doing division because it says how many we need for each.
Starting
in
out want to do it.
division.
Y'all want to, this one you're going to have to divide. There's no answer choices you can multiply. Y'all want to draw it?
Can we draw it out?
Go ahead and draw it out. How many groups do I have? I think that's going to be
We
the way.
have 3 groups.
3 groups.
And
And then I put 3 circles, and then I put 8
I told
8 lines, and then 7 dots.
1, 2, 3.
you, if this is the only way you can do it this week, I'm okay with that. I know division. We were later on in the year we learn it over 2 weeks. This week it's only over 1, and I know it's hard. Now share. And when we did division earlier this year, before I even did that, some of y'all remembered this. So I know y'all remember this from last year. But with smaller numbers, I think. Probably like 28 divided by 7 or something. Hopefully it's correct. I know. I'm okay if this is the only way you can do it right now. That's fine.
Next week, do we have to do it the way we're supposed to do it?
No, we're doing a review next week. No, later on in the year, you're going to have to learn it the other way, the standard algorithm way, because we'll be dividing like 1,472 divided by 4, and that's a lot to draw. So you're eventually going to have to learn it the other way. It's just practice. All week practice. Let me freeze this. But I know y'all can draw it. That's what I'm saying. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 6. Think you're gonna have to regroup. $20. Seven, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did you get your answer?
I still don't have my answer.
Are you putting them? Oh, I think you missed this one. But I know you remember. You had to have remembered from last year how to draw it and then share it.
No, I don't remember.
You don't remember? What happens when you take a vacation during school? Some of y'all think, oh, we're not in class. We can be on vacation. Girls that are done. Chloe, did you finish already? You're pretty good at doing it like this. Did you finish? She's over there doing her own thing. Vida, did you finish? Yes.
There's 8 tens, right?
Yep.
Uh-huh.
I think I did something wrong because
What are you getting in your circles? And I'll tell you.
there's 3 circles, right? I don't.
How many tens are going to be in those circles? First of all.
Because I have 3 circles and 8 tens. There's not another 10 put for the third circle.
Okay. So, you told me how many tens are going to be in there?
3, but for one of them, there's only 2 because.
Go back there and share those again. So I'm going to share 1. Get rid of it. 1. Get rid of it. 1. Get rid of it.
Okay.
Another one. Get
Yeah, there's not enough tens or.
Okay, what do I do with those 2 extra tens here? What do I have to do?
Put them into ones.
Okay, did you do that part? Come on. You have to follow the training rules eventually.
So there's going to be 2 tens in each.
Right? That's all we could share equally. We don't want one friend to get $10 extra, do we?
No.
If Via gets $10 more, then you're going to be upset. I know I would be. If somebody got paid more money than me when we were supposed to get paid equally, I would be upset.
Probably.
Your ones. How many ones do you have?
7, I think.
17.
You got to regroup. 2 tens.
Oh. 27.
Left over.
27.
27. And we have how many groups?
3.
3.
3. Also, there's 3 groups and it's an odd number and then there's an odd number of 1, so we kind of technically have enough.
Like what I just wrote on the screen. Y'all can see what I'm writing, right?
Nope.
No?
It only has the share screen paper.
Oh, it won't show me. Man, I was writing on it for nothing. It's frozen. Oh, maybe if I unfreeze it. Oh. No. Hold on. I already did it though. Sorry. I had to share how many, what I was showing you earlier was I have 3 groups times something gives me 27. What?
So there's gonna be 7 in each?
What?
I mean, wait, what do you mean, like
3
4,
times
9?
27. What factor?
9.
So how many ones are going to be in each one of those?
9.
9. 9 ones should be in each one of your pictures. So how many is in there total?
29.
There you go. 29.
Wait, So for the quiz, like that's on the canvas, like there's gonna be questions where it just says 29, right?
Let me check. Probably. I haven't checked. Somebody read me the number 6.
There are. Call that somebody.
Somebody? There are what? Somebody read it. Natalie, are you there?
I could read it, but
Go ahead, read
I
it.
don't know what the school name is called. The Lincoln. There are 96 fourth grader students enrolled at Lincoln Elementary. Each of the 6 teachers in the grade level want to place an equal number of students on their homeroom. What? Roster. How many names will be on each roster?
What did I do earlier with my answer choices?
Times
Times what number?
4.
But for this problem, what can I multiply my answer choices by?
96 times 6.
Nope.
6.
By the number of groups.
So 6, because 6 is gonna be the group.
Times 6 and see which one gives you 96. You're looking for the total of 96. If you're not good at division, that's another way to get it. You can't
And
do.
it's 90, so it's not F, because it's not 96.
Keep working it out yourself. I don't want answers on this one. You work it out by yourself. I gave you a start. You're looking for which one will give you 96. You can do the same thing on number 8.
Find my answer.
By number 8 like that, by the number of groups.
I think I have found my answer.
Then,
I'm gonna send you the letter in private chat.
I got the answer too. I'm gonna send the letter to you.
I got the answer too. I did it.
I don't even know. Somebody sent me G.
I did it.
Was it 46?
What?
Miss Hernandez.
Yes.
What page are we on?
Sojan, you already did it. You did it like 2 days ago. You can go on Imagine Math. You did it like 2 days ago. I don't know why. You did the wrong thing.
Okay.
You did the wrong thing. All right, the next one I'm going to help you with.
I didn't answer that one because it was pretty easy.
What'd you get?
I'll send you in the chat again.
Wait.
I'll send you the answer for number 6.
Okay. This is long. It says, hold on, I know it's out of focus.
I send you the answer for number 6 and 7.
Says, which statement about the list of numbers below is true? They are all divisible by 2. They are all divisible by 7. They are all divisible by 4. They are all divisible by 3. Vida, how'd you get that answer? Can you explain to me what you did to get that answer?
For each of the numbers on A, B, C, and D, I just counted by 2s and 7s and 4s and 3s.
So she just counted. She counted did her 7. She did her 2s.
And then if I found separate numbers in the 2s, 4s, the 7s, and 3s, I'll keep on going until they have all those numbers.
Something here. if a number is to be divided by 2, it has to have an even number in the ones place. Do all of these have an even number in the ones place?
Nope. Because
What?
there's a 91 and then a 63.
Be able to be divided equally by 2? Will they?
Nope.
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 By 7s. Oh, 7's not a rule in here. Somebody start listing the multiples of 7. Come on. 7 what? What's next? Come on. I'm going to help you, or you're going to do it by yourself. 7 what?
14.
14. What else?
21.
Somebody else besides Audrina. Come on. What are my multiples?
For 7?
7, 14, 21.
7, 14, 21, and 5, 14, 96,
Slow down. 35.
35.
What's next?
What is it? 7, 42.
42.
49,
49. What's next?
56,
Whew, she's getting it. So that one's there and that one's there. What's after that?
63,
63. What's after that?
28.
70,
Here. 63, 70. What's next?
77,
Keep going, girlfriend.
then 84, and then 91. Well,
So are these all divisible by 7?
Yep.
Are all those numbers divisible by 7? Somebody besides Vida tell me. I'm guessing y'all are working it out then.
but it is divisible by 7.
Oh, y'all need your communication skills. I'm guessing you are all working by yourself is why. Okay. Okay. Keep going. Keep working. It's the 10th. Week ago, man. If you don't know how to divide, I've showed you 2 different ways to get your answer for number 8.
You can multiply.
Mm-hmm. Viva says you can multiply. What would you multiply by?
68 times 4, but you need to be careful when you're multiplying.
No,
'Cause
no. I didn't multiply on this problem 96 times 6, did I? I multiplied by the number of groups.
Oh, yeah.
Get your total.
I have hope on 7.
I just did 7 for ya. I just did 7 for y'all. Where were y'all at? I just did it. I just did number 7. Didn't I? Vida did it like twice. I did number 7. Are those numbers divisible by 7? You should be counting your 7. Your factor, your multiples of 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 to see if each one of those is divisible by 7. And Vida already did the hard work. All right, we're gonna take a break and come back. Oh, I wasn't recording this whole thing, was I? No, I was. Come back here at 9:45. Got it?
Okay, bye, Mr. Hernandez.